Traditional Chinese medicine is an important part of traditional Chinese medicine. It has a long history, accumulated profound cultural heritage and rich medical experience, and has a wide range of applications in China. However, although Chinese medicine is widely used and accepted in China, it is not well recognized internationally. In foreign countries, Chinese medicine is often criticized and questioned, and is considered to be unscientific, unsafe, and ineffective witch doctor's art. What is the reason behind this attitude? It is worth thinking deeply about. Here are some possible reasons. E. Lack of scientific evidence support. The international medical community generally pays attention to clinical evidence based on scientific research, and the lack of modern evidence-based medicine research evidence in clinical use of many traditional Chinese medicines seriously hinders the development of traditional Chinese medicines into the international market. R. Standardization and quality control problems. There are certain standardization and quality control problems in the preparation and use of traditional Chinese medicine. The complexity and diversity of traditional Chinese medicine make it difficult to unify the production process, resulting in great differences in the quality and efficacy of medicinal materials. 3. Cultural differences and traditional concepts. The application and theory of TCM are based on the concepts of traditional Chinese medicine, which are quite different from the theoretical system of Western medicine. This cultural difference and different traditional ideas also affect the international acceptance and recognition of Chinese medicine. On the one hand, the reputation of Chinese medicine in foreign countries has been affected by some negative events. For example, some traditional Chinese medicine products in Europe and the United States have been detected to contain toxic and harmful substances or undeclared Western medicine ingredients, triggering quality and safety concerns. On the other hand, there are huge differences between Chinese medicine and Western medicine in cognition and treatment concept. Western medicine emphasizes evidence and scientific proof, pursues a clear relationship between etiology and efficacy, and focuses on direct symptomatic treatment through drugs or surgery to quickly relieve symptoms. Traditional Chinese medicine pays more attention to overall conditioning and individual treatment, pursues balance and harmony of body and mind, and emphasizes the significance of preventive treatment of disease. In addition, there are obvious differences in the cultural background and historical evolution of traditional Chinese medicine and Western medicine. Western medicine originated from the medical thought of ancient Greece and Rome, emphasizing empirical and rational, and developed strict research methods and systems. Traditional Chinese medicine originated from ancient Chinese philosophical thoughts and natural concepts, emphasizing the theory of harmony between heaven and man and the 5 elements of yin and yang, forming its own unique diagnosis and treatment concepts and techniques. However, this cognitive difference is also subject to certain biases and misunderstandings. Although Chinese medicine is different from Western medicine in theory and practice, it also has its own scientific and value. For example, the side effects of traditional Chinese medicine are small, and the treatment effect of traditional Chinese medicine for chronic diseases, complicated diseases, and elderly diseases is widely recognized, especially in the case of combined treatment of traditional Chinese medicine and Western medicine can achieve better results. Therefore, we need to understand and evaluate the value and limitations of traditional Chinese medicine on a rational and objective basis. First of all, it is necessary to admit that there are certain problems and defects in traditional Chinese medicine, such as inconsistent quality of medicinal materials, improper drug compatibility, unstable efficacy, and long treatment time. Secondly, it is necessary to maintain an open and inclusive attitude respecting the traditional knowledge and experience of Chinese medicine, while not rejecting and questioning the progress and results of modern science. Finally, it is necessary to practice and demonstrate the efficacy and mechanism of TCM and promote the integration and development of TCM and Western medicine through multidisciplinary cooperation and exchange. Only through an open, inclusive, practical, and empirical approach can traditional Chinese medicine move towards a broader development space and make greater contributions to human health.